So we're just waiting for the water park to start up because we're the first ones of the day. What's the time? Don't have my watch on. Oh yeah. What's the time, hun?
Green.
Green.
It's like 12 o'clock.
Well, it's like lunchtime.
5 to 12.
5 to 12. And we've got this whole place to ourselves.
So it was still locked.
It was still
The
locked.
pump wasn't even on.
They hadn't turned the pump or anything on because we're literally the only ones here. And we thought we'd have a go on this. The wind's dropped a bit today, so that's good. And yeah, we've got this whole place to ourselves. How exciting. We'll see how long the kids last.
It should last ages because there's no one else here.
There's no one else.
Literally just go down and...
There's no lineups. They look like pretty cool water slides too.
They're big actually.
They are big. Alright girls, let's be crazy. Freeze our butts off. Oh! Nah, we'll be right. We've been in colder water.
Oh, yeah, jamboree.
Oh, you've got a white singlet on, hun.
Yeah, I thought I'd just swap from the ground or what.
Jamboree was cold. This is warm compared to Jamboree.
It's fun, Libby.
Where are we going, Libby? We'll go down the red and white one.
Go on, Libby.
Down this one.
Go,
Go!
Go!
Up. That's so good. Oh, get that into ya. Oh, we're going the big one. No fear, Libby. All right, I'll go down this one. I'll meet you at the bottom. Do you want me to take you or you ride on your own? You want to go with me? All right. Ready? You don't need to splash her, Libby. She's wet enough.
Hi guys, so today we are at Beachside Caravan Park and we're at the water park. Oh,